I may mess up a couple times. Just
no, you do it.
Okay.
Hey girl, hey.
Hey. This is a bowl of potatoes.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome back to Handmade. My name is Ellie, and this is a bowl of potatoes. Now, we're not doing anything today that involves eating, so no mashing, frying, baking, but I am gonna show you 10 things that you can do with this potato. Let's get started. Believe it or not, potatoes clean glass. I've got a cut potato. I'm just gonna rub it around on the window, spritz it with water, and you'll never believe how clean it gets. If you have a broken light bulb, remove it safely with a halved potato. Don't forget your safety gloves. You can make Play-Doh or potato using 3 cups mashed potatoes, 2 1/4 cup flour, and some food coloring. You can make a face mask using half a potato, half a lemon, and 4 tablespoons of baking soda. This can help reduce inflammation, get rid of dark spots, and help remove blemishes. Another great thing you can do with a potato is create a potato stamp. I am going to be freehanding a heart shape for stamping the tea towel, but you can also use a cookie cutter to guide your shape. You can put potato slices over your eyes to remove dark circles and inflammation. Now this one is kind of strange, but it does actually work. Next time you're boiling potatoes, don't throw out the water. Instead, use it to shine your silver. I placed mine in the water for about a week and the results were amazing. Believe it or not, a potato can patina brass. Start with 1 potato cut in slices, letting it sit out until the color turns reddish brown. You'll need enough vinegar to cover your piece of brass. For every cup of vinegar used, you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of salt. Set your piece of brass in the mixture. Finally, add your potatoes. Let the brass piece sit in the mixture for 24 hours. Another great use for potatoes is to clean your cast iron skillet. All you'll need for this is olive oil, sea salt, and of course, a potato. Don't throw out those potato peels and pieces, add them to your compost bin. They'll add nutrients to the soil and help retain moisture. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed our roundup of potato hacks. And while French fries will always be my favorite thing to do with potatoes, these 10 things were pretty cool too. Let us know in the comments below which was your favorite, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!